The Janitor AI chatbot is down most of the time and has lots of bugs due to high traffic. If you are frustrated with these errors and bugs, then don't worry, I have few hidden alternative gems for you that you never heard of. These alternative best like Janitor AI but without any errors and bugs. Actually, in a few alternatives you don't need an API key or proxy, you can use those platforms freely. If you want to know more about these hidden gems, then go to BeedAI.com and you can read this post there, and if you like my post then don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe my newsletter.